following message is transmitted at the request of the Escambia County Sheriff's Office and the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. This is a civil danger warning, effective immediately and until further notice. Law enforcement has issued a shelter-in-place order for all residents of Escambia County, with extreme caution is advised for the greater Pensacola area. Multiple 911 calls have reported a highly dangerous and hostile individual roaming residential and commercial streets. The suspect has committed several unprovoked acts of extreme violence. Suspect is an unidentified female figure, which appears to be in her early 20s, with dark brown hair, wearing a long, Victorian-style maid outfit that is heavily torn, dirty, and covered in blood. Suspect is also wearing white gloves, while the suspect's face is completely hidden by an old World War II-era gas mask. She appears to carry a large, heavy-duty fire axe. Turn off all exterior and interior lights. Do not investigate any unusual noises, tapping, or calls for help coming from outside your home. If you spot the suspect, hide in a secure, windowless room and dial 911 immediately. Do not attempt to make contact. Law enforcement and SWAT are currently mobilizing in the Pensacola area. Stay tuned to local media police scanners or weather radio for further updates. Repeating, law enforcement and SWAT are currently mobilizing in the Pensacola area.